Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to you all students. Today we are going to start with the remaining part of the chapter, that is of the glimpses of the past, and it was written by S.D. Sawant in a historical way, making us remember about the past situation, how the Indians have struggled for their freedom, how different people have been making Indians to in a worst condition with the taxes, with the religiously, we can say that the religious preachers who are making them to do so many kinds of practices which was a worst thing, we can say, which was absurd, which was not like the people, and they have been in a slavery because of the British people putting so many taxes and new methods of we can say crops, this and that, which has been ruined the people condition. And now there are so many leaders who have been struggled, and today we are going to see one such leader who has been struggled to give freedom for India in his own way, and he was none other than Raja Ram Mohan Roy. See, Raja Ram has fought between the years, we can say 1772 till 1833. He has been, we can say, he had fought for the people to give freedom for them, to make them free from so many practices which they are following. So yes, Raja Ram Mohan Roy was a learner, we can say, he was a social reformer, an educationalist also, and he was, Raja Ram Mohan Roy understood what was wrong with the country. He was in a confusion that what was wrong with the country now, and he understood what he has to do, and he tried to reform the society. Reform, he wanted to change the society, reform, and he thought people that the main precepts of all religions were the same. Precepts, we can say, all thought, all idea, we can say Hindu, Muslim, Christian, whatever, just their own one motive is that to obey the God, to follow their religions for the sake of God, to get whatever they want. That is what the main motive of all the religions, whatever they think, whatever they want to be. When they pray, all are praying to God for one reason, whatever they want to be in a free way, it has to go, is the motive of all the religion people. So here, that is what Raja Ram Mohan Roy is also saying. So here see, he 1757 till 1849, what he has done, emphasized the practical use of knowledge. He just given them, the people, about the practical knowledge of the country. Yes, so he went to England, and that he reminded the British that rulers too had a duty towards their subjects. So he went to England. What he done? He went to England and he was telling the British people, he was saying that how the British was so powerful. He wanted to see that how the Britishers become so powerful. So he was going to England, and what he was doing, he reminded the British that the rulers who are ruling the country are also have some kind of, we can say, duty towards their subjects. Those who are obeying them, those who are following them, have some duty towards them. Yes. So he started newspapers in India. He was the first person, we can say, started the newspaper in India, and the suspicious British stopped them in 1823. So by making the people knowledgeable, the Britishers are now don't want to make the people knowledge about the things happening. So what they have done, the Britishers, when Raja Ram Mohan Roy started the newspaper in India, the suspicious thought that it would be a risk, it will be a burden for them. We can say that it will be a risk and it will be making them down to earth if the people know about them, what they are doing. So what they are doing, the Britishers stopped the newspaper in 1823. So through the text you can see, the textual view of that, you can see Raja Ram Mohan Roy, a learned man from Bengal, understood what was wrong with the country. He understood that Rajaram Mohan Roy was very learned, so he understood that something has been wrong with the people. What was that wrong? Because people are blindly following whatever the ruler is saying. Yes, so he understood that and he wanted to make them knowledgeable, to know about and to be free from that by their own way. Yes, so let me not despise them. Our ancient culture is great and capture the greater achievements. Superstitions have been removed us. Our religious people, we can say, preachers before was giving so many good thoughts and this and that. But now the religious preachers are making the people to follow such practices that is ruining, that is making the condition of the people worse. So here Rajaram Mohan Roy understood and he thought that by making the people to follow the religious practices, it is ruining their life. Yes. So he told his wife. He is telling to his wife, and his wife name, Rajaram Mohan Roy's wife name was Uma, and he is telling to his wife that cows are of different colors, but the colors of with the same colors of them are not. And different teachers have different opinions, but every religion is the same. We can say the Rajaram Mohan Roy is telling to his wife that every cows have different colors, but the milk which is coming is color is one, and the teachers may be different. Their view will be to teach the students, and every opinions of the religions will be different, but their motive will be one. So like that he is telling to his wife. Yes. Now again he was attracted by science and modern knowledge. He was attracted as he was educationalist, and he was known about the science and the knowledge and the modern technology very well. So what he was trying to do, see, knowledge should be practical and scientific. He is telling to the other people that knowledge should be very scientific and it should be practical and it should be followed to the people also. And the started newspaper, but the suspicious British stopped them in 1823. So what happened here? He thought that by making the people practically knowledge about what was happening around the country, he started the newspaper. But the Britishers, what they have done, they thought that it will be a bad news. It will become a worse news for them because the people will understand what was going around them and they will be against them. That the fear made the British to stop the newspaper in 1823, as I have said to you. Yes. So next what he has done, he crossed we can say crossed the seas and went to England. What made the British powerful? That he would them. So what happened? He went to Rajaram Mohan Roy, by seeing all such a condition, he went to England to see that how the Britishers have become so powerful. How the Britishers become powerful, and see what he is saying there. We accept you as rulers. Rajaram Mohan Roy is saying that they are accepting the rulers of British as they have become rulers by capturing the countries and making fool the princes of India and everything. They captured the territory and they become the ruler. Yes, of course. But what Rajaram Mohan Roy is saying, yes, Rajaram Mohan Roy is saying that yes, we accept you as a ruler, but what he is saying, and you must accept us as a subjects. Accept as a subject means whatever our opinion is there, that also you have to listen. Yes. Now, but you must ever be mindful of the responsibility a ruler owes to her subject. You should have some responsibility towards your subjects, those who are following you. You should not make them, or you should not make as a slave them. You have some owe some responsibility towards them, towards their life and property and everything. Like that Rajaram Mohan Roy, with a thoughtful, we can say thoughtful mind, he was saying to the Britishers. this was the Rajaram Mohan Roy, we can say, who had been made the people little bit knowledgeable about the country and made them aware of what they are and what they are in the situation, and to make the Britishers also to understand the situation of the people and to follow it. But the Britishers are not followed that also. They just want to capture the country and they just want to have a control over the people, to make them as a slave and to make more profits through the taxes to be paid by the people. Yes, I hope you have understood what Rajaram Mohan Roy is trying to do and how the Britishers are against them.